My name is Diane Beckley. I am a general pediatrician and I'm in fellowship in neonatology, and I take care of kids right now from birth all the way up to 18. Children are really interesting because they tend to be a lot more honest than adults. They'll really tell you anything that you want to know as long as they trust you. So the first thing that we do as pediatricians is try to develop that trust with these kids, and they really open up and it's really rewarding. Parents are obviously integral to taking care of any child. There has to be a balance between what, as children get older, what they want to share with their parents and what they want to keep private. So I think that there's a balance to how we involve the parents. Kind of as the child is growing up, the first thing we do is really try to educate the parents and have them, involved with their child as much as we can. And then as children age, we try to give them some autonomy in their care. I'm from Louisville, Kentucky. I went to undergrad, graduate school, medical school, all at U of L. And then I completed my residency at U of L, and I'm in fellowship at U of L as well. I have 2 children who I love dearly, and I also bake for fun. And then luckily my husband holds down the house because otherwise it would be a disaster.